Okay, it's just me strolling through the woods, thinking of you. Here's the little path. Can you hear the waterfall? It's down over that way. There's the trail. I lost everybody, but I'm thinking of you. See, this is how Washington is from all the rain. Everything is thick with ferns. Oh, ooh, there's a fern. Whole bunch of ferns back in there. Oh, there's Cheyenne, Davis, and Blakely.
But no monsters.
Bye.